So, this is how to check motherboard model on Windows 10. I'll walk you through 2 ways to dig up this info. Just right-click that Windows Start button and hit Run. Type in msinfo32 and smash Enter. System information pops up, and you're looking for 2 things: baseboard manufacturer and baseboard product. There's your motherboard brand and exact model. No hunting around required. Now, if you're the type who wants every single detail laid out, the command line gets you there faster. Pop open Run again, type CMD, hit Enter. Here's where it gets good. Type this exact command: wmic baseboard, get product, manufacturer, version, serial number. Hit Enter and boom, everything shows up in one clean line. What you're seeing breaks down like this. Manufacturer tells you who actually built your board. Product gives you that specific model number you might need for driver downloads. Version shows any revision updates. And that serial number is completely unique to your specific piece of hardware. I tend to stick with the system information route most of the time, since it's just faster for a quick check. But that command prompt method really shines when you need to grab all the specs and paste them somewhere else. Both tricks work on every Windows 10 setup without downloading anything extra.